Hello, this is Dane Koval with usspeedo. Today we're going to be installing a Daytona Edition gauge face into this FX4 F-150. It's a 2004, and our tech Nick is getting ready to pull out the gauge cluster right now. You just want to snap it out of the dash. There's a couple bolts on each side. Pop off the cover.
Well, we've got all the latest.
Cover comes off. You should be able to unplug your cluster. A couple bolts on each side to unfasten the cluster from the vehicle. Should have a plug up top. Now you can remove the cluster from the vehicle. After removing the lens, plug the cluster back in and turn the key on, but have the engine off and mark the needle positions. Now that we have it in the shop, we're going to just use our needle removal tool and twist and remove the needles from the cluster. Your gauge face should come off. Now we're going to put on our yellow Daytona Edition gauge under this cluster. Should have a sticky back, just fit right into place. You're going to want to plug your cluster back into the vehicle. Turn the key on, engine off. You're going to need to reference the gauge you pulled off and marked for needle placement. Alright. Needles will clip in. Using the needle removal tool, use the rear portion of the needle tool to set the needle height when installing the needle onto the cluster. Replace the lens back onto the cluster. It should snap right into place.
I guess you want me to
put your cover back on the Speedo. And there you have it. A custom Daytona Face Edition installed in our yellow FX4 F-150. Come see us at usspeedo.